Alright guys, haven't made a video in a while, sorry about that. Was on vacation last week, which was nice, and just working on some pretty tough challenge locks. So I finally got this one open today. I've worked on it for at least an hour. I'm on and off. This is by Trekmaster30. It's called Madness, and he says a key only works clockwise. I open the lock counterclockwise, so the lock works either direction, just with the key, which is mummy, it only works clockwise. So I'm going to try and open it clockwise, or counterclockwise, like I did earlier. Pry bar in 50 thousandths. And I'm going to use a, which one is it? Homemade kind of medium hook, made by West Coast Picks. I don't know the thickness on these. They're pretty thin, 15 thousandths, maybe 18 thousandths, but I think they could be 15. So these work really well. I really like them. It's a Schlage keyway, but an off-brand Schlage, so it's a bit more open than you would normally see. I can actually work from the bottom, when normally I'd have to work off the ledge. Alright, enough chat. Let's see if I can open this up. Alright, where are we? 2. Okay. Nice solid click. Oh, hand in the way. Haven't made a video in a while, so I don't remember how to hold my hands. Let's see. I think that's 4. A little bit of crunching there. Yeah, this is a tough lock. I think I oversaid that. Just because I opened this earlier today, my lunch break, does not mean I'll be able to open it now. But I kind of know what I'm looking for now, at least, which helps. I've been subscribed to Trekmaster30's channel for a while. He's actually one of the first channels I subscribed to. This is the first challenge lock of his I've ever had, and it is pretty tough. I'll include a link to his channel in the description. If you're not already subscribed to him, you should go check him out. He's really good at opening locks. He opens up some locks that I would never have a chance opening. And what's cool is anytime he has like an old padlock or anything, he'll tell you a little bit about the history of it. So I'll talk about, this Slaymaker lock. Their company was founded in such and such year, and which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, you should go check him out if you haven't already. I just lost it. So I think it's number 2, maybe number 3, is an overset trap. And if I even think about nudging him, I overset it and things drop. Okay, you can see I've got a somewhat decent false set now. Let's try 1. See? I don't think I dropped completely out of my false set, but I definitely overset that. Okay, drop back in that false set once more. Come on, where are you? I think it's 3. Okay, I just set that. We'll find out when I unmummy the key. I could be completely wrong. Most of the challenge locks that I've opened have not had mummied keys, so it's kind of fun. Okay, I think I said that. Yeah, this is a very... Oh no! Just lost everything, guys. Oh, I slipped out. What are we at? Almost at 5 minutes. Oh, That's awful. Alright guys, I'll give it another 5 minutes, and if I don't feel like I've made progress, you'll never see this. Dang it. I was checking my progress and... Oh, that's awful. Okay. Probably going to talk less so I can feel and listen more. Trying to make up for lost ground. Man, that is so sad. Because I felt like I was pretty close. Okay, pretty good full set. Let's see if I can... You alright, sweetie? My wife may need a glass of water. I may have to run grab her a glass after this. We went on vacation last week. We were in North Carolina, where it's nice and humid. And we're back home now in Salt Lake City, Utah, where it's a desert. So things are pretty dry, and it's weird because we live here, but just being away for even a week, like my hands are all gross and lizardy, and her throat's been super dry. So okay, I'm not getting any feedback. Okay, seeing if I just barely reset anything. I just had to nudge the tension wrench. Alright, where are you? Nope. We'll reset that. Okay. Drop back into that full set again. Here we go. 1. Let's check it. Yeah, I think it's 3. That's the overset trap. Okay, just set 4. Back to 1. Nothing on 1. Check 2. I switch a little bit thicker pick, or grab my Peterson. Thin hooks are nice, but sometimes you need more feedback. I don't know what we're held up on. Some kind of nastiness for sure. Almost at 9 minutes. That's a solid false set. Hopefully you just saw me drop into that. I don't know, guys. Last time I opened it opened on, I think, 2. That's not it. Alright guys, I'm just about at the 10-minute mark, but I feel like I'm close. I'm just trying to work quickly. Probably isn't smart. Alright guys, I'll give it 2 more minutes. This is already a long video, but this is a tough lock, so I don't mind having it be long. I don't know about you guys, but when I watch other people's lockpicking videos, I actually watch it. I use a setting to have it go at 1.5 times as fast, or sometimes even twice as fast. Like Lockpicking Lawyer, he generally talks pretty slow and he enunciates really clearly. Unlike me, who slurs my words, but with Lockpicking Lawyer, I can watch it twice as fast and not miss anything. And there are just so many great channels out there that I'm gonna have a hard time watching all the content that everyone puts out. Last week I wasn't even trying, so if you guys put out any videos last week, I probably haven't watched them, so sorry about that, but I have to watch a few dozen to try and catch up. Oh man, guys, I feel like I'm close. Making sure this is the profile I want. Ooh, that felt pretty good. That's the deepest false set I've had. It's too thick. Make sure my tension wrench won't slip out again. Okay, I think this means we're close. All right. It's gonna be a long video. Switch to another similar West Coast picks hook, but a little bit less of a curve or of a rise. Man, guys, I'm close, but I am secretly terrified of having to counter rotate locks. I've never had much luck with it. I just lost everything trying to counter rotate it. Oh, no way. Oh, almost 14 minutes. Whew. Alright guys, I'll try and make this quick. As you can see, it is open. That lock put up a fight. Wow. Alright. Try and make this quick for you guys. My camera is crooked, but it's okay. Lock it up. We have a key. Now I can even look at what it looks like. Oh, I was even zoomed in a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it was number 3. Look at that overstep trap. Beauty. I wonder if that's the... yeah. Those are the actual depths, so... okay. Oh, focus. He said it only works clockwise. There we go. Yeah, there's a little hitch to it, but that's okay. I am definitely using a shim though with this lock. Okay. Put that there. Grab my shim. Slide that in. Grab my follower. Slide that through. Beautiful. I'm at 15.5 minutes. I'll try and hurry. I try not to have super long videos, but that often happens. Okay. Oh, wrong side. 1 standard. 2 has 1 serration. 3 standard. 4 has 2 serrations with a very sharp lip in between. 5 is 1 serration. 6 is normal. Modifications, we have undercutting in 1, threading in 2, nothing in 3, undercutting in 4, threading in 5 and 6. Beautiful work. It was so kind as to mark the front with an X, so I can't screw that up. Ooh, number 1 driver pin. That's a nice homemade spool. The serration, it came out like that. I think it should be like that, but I'll put it back the way that I had it. That is a copper spring. No, sorry, brass spring. Then we have this beautiful serrated pin that has a T pin element. So that's some awesome work. Another brass pin. No, those are copper. I don't remember. 3 is a standard, which makes sense considering how long the key pin is. See what we have in 6. A T pin serrated. Another one of these beautiful, man. Look at that. Come on. Those serrations are gorgeous. Ooh. Yeah, I do not feel bad that this is an 18-minute video. Alright, I feel a little bad that it's an 18-minute video. Did the spring come out when it wasn't looking? Oh yeah. Right there. Okay. 5 is some more just beautiful serrations. These ones are a little bit wider. Oh, amazing work. And number 4, for the sake of time, I'll just do that. Okay. And this is another one of those serrated spools, and this one actually came out that way, which I'm pretty sure that this one should have. Threading in 1, nothing in 2, countermilling in 3. Oh. 6 and 4, threading in 1 and 2. Okay, beautiful work. Just really quickly. Oh, it's gonna be a 20-minute video. Sorry about that, guys. If anyone's even made it this long, I know some of you fast forward to the end just what's inside, and that's completely fine. So I want to see if it's long enough that these serrations would actually come into play. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble it that way. Knowing West Coast, or Trekmaster30, sorry. Knowing how devious he is, I have no qualms about putting it back the way that makes it harder. Because that's probably how he made it, and I'm lucky to have opened it, because this lock was a fighter. Alright. Normal, single serration, normal, double serration, single serration, normal. Serrated spool in 1 and 4. Serrated, like beautiful serrated T-pin in 2 and 6, normal in 3 because he was so long, and beautiful serrated in number 5. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. Sorry for this massively long video, but that's what happens. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. If you would like to swap locks or, you know, whatever. I'll put my email in the description. Feel free to send me an email. If you're not subscribed to Trekmaster30's channel, you should go check it out. He is awesome. And thank you for watching.